and it got to me as well. When you're losing what you came for in the first place, it gets rough. Believe me, I can tell. So I slipped into a lonely room, saying to myself, it doesn't matter if I fall. But then I heard some noises at my door, and far away there was somebody who called.